Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But if it is your first time here, my name is Coco. On this channel I share beauty, self-care, fashion. I was about to say vlogs, but I just created a whole nother vlog channel. So if you want to see vlogs of my life, which is crazy, you can follow that right here or right here, wherever I put it. But anyways, today's video I'm going to show you how to do your own lashes, like how the lash techs be doing it. Just gotta put the girls on sometimes. All right, come a little closer, y'all. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do your lash like the lash techs, okay? Now, if you're a lash tech, get off this video. I'm just putting the girls on really quick. That is not for them to fire y'all. That's not none of that. But this is just for emergency purposes only, right? That was my disclaimer. So today I'm going to show you how to apply the Falscara lashes. The girls, these come in clutch. I ain't gonna say a lifesaver because I feel like we be using that lifesaver word too loosely on the socials, but these right here, absolutely yes. So these hit the market a couple years ago. I didn't ever use them on myself because I felt like there was no need. I only had to do them on myself one time, and that was because they were all that's left. I always try to keep these on deck, but I had the ones where the band was really thick, so it was very uncomfortable for me. They just packaged it up recently and just made it super simple for all the girls to use it. What I don't like is how it went up in price. These things used to be like $5.99 and now they are $25.99. Which, once you get these, wear them as long as you can wear them. But yeah, I want to show you how to apply these just in case you can't get a lash appointment, you don't go to the lash techs, and for any other reasons you may need to just have natural looking lashes that you can feel your best. So let's do the little unboxing. So I'm just gonna lift it from here and you slide it out. Okay, now something's trying to fall out in the back, which is just the instructions, but that's why you got me. You don't need this, throw this away. Okay, so inside of here you have the tweezers, which are my favorite tweezers. Okay, I don't know if y'all see me talk about this the other day when I did my no foundation routine. So listen, these tweezers right here are my absolute favorite to put lashes on people, to put them on myself. The ergonometry of it all, I'll be making words up on the channel, but I feel like I'm ergonomics, there we go, of it all helps you apply lashes super easy and just better. So we have the tweezers. I knew they were gonna fall outside and want to lift this up. Then we have the bond and the seal. So that's what I got with my box. Some boxes come with the overnighter bond and you just brush it through and it helps the lashes to stay waterproof and stuff like that, but I really don't use that. So if you want, you can either order the overnighter or go to the store that you purchased these from and pick up the overnighter. Okay, so let's just get into it. What you're gonna need is a mirror. I like to use the 3X mirror so that I can really see everything. And when you hold your tweezers, you're gonna hold them like this, kind of with the point pointing towards you, because this is, you're gonna use the tip to control how you pick up the lashes. You're gonna use the middle to pinch both your lashes and the falsies together. And then you're going to use this hump right here to really lift. Okay, so I'm gonna start off applying the bond. So you just want to do it like you're doing mascara. Brush it in and brush it up. A little bit goes a long way, but I'm still gonna go back in with a double coat of the bond. This is just gonna help it last a bit longer. And I'm making sure to get that root because that's honestly where we're gonna do everything at. Okay, and you wanna do one lash at a time, like one eye at a time. So I'm going to pick up the lashes and you're gonna pick them up. You wanna make sure it's straight into your tweezers like this. And then you apply it underneath, right on to the bottom of your, you wanna get up in that tight line. That's what you wanna do. You want to get up there. Now, the reason the girls are going crazy about these is because you literally do not feel it. You're going to put this right next to the other lash. And you just make sure you press it up like so. Okay, make sure you get it in there. And sometimes when you're working slow like I am, like I'm trying to explain to y'all, at the same time, you might have to go back in with a little bit more bond. And you want to put your mirror down so you can see every single thing. The bond is bonding, okay? As you can see, I leave it for a second to make sure that it is attached. After you've applied them all, you want to just grab the tool and pinch all of the lashes together. Take your time doing this. There is no rush. And then you can push them up. So I like to get the ones for clients that are longer, because the longer they are, they curl up. These are just for beginners, and there's literally no irritation. Like, you don't feel them at all. Sometimes when you use the other ones, y'all know the ones I'm talking about, they come like trios, that's what they're called. But the band is so thick, sometimes you feel them with every blink. So now I'm gonna reach into the seal just to help you remember the seal is clear and the bond is black. Well, is a black side. I don't know which color the bond actually is, but the clear side is the seal. And so you're gonna just brush that up as it's mascara, basically. And this is just sealing them both together, basically doing what the bond couldn't do, okay? And I know they say don't put mascara in these, but I do. I like to treat these like they're my natural lashes, because they're gonna be on tomorrow. There's a big difference in the lashes, and this just looks so pretty and natural. Also, guys, like I said, if you want to take it to the next level, you can go ahead and get the lashes, the Falscara lashes that are longer. They're gonna look crazy in the pack. Lashes be looking crazy in the pack, but it's going to, once it looks longer, that gives you more room to curl it or just to have, you know, more length. And so these are nice and natural for everyday wear, but if you want to kick it up a notch, go longer. So now I'm gonna do the other side. So these are done. Take your time with these. I know that it may appear that I'm moving fast. Remember, things are sped up. I'm taking my time in applying these. I don't want y'all to hurt yourselves with these tweezers and all of that. So take your time. And then I'm just gonna grab my mascara real quick. Put mascara on these. I'm applying mascara only to the tips, you know, not at the base, because we have the bond there, the seal there. Like, we got a lot going on right there, and I don't play about my real lashes. You know, they come in handy for me when I need them, so I definitely want to protect them. So I'm only putting mascara on the tips, which you can see just gives it a little bit more definition. And you can curl them if you want, but the mascara tip, you know, technique that I'm using, just by pulling them back, that's just gonna curl it just a little bit. You see why I say I'm putting mascara on them? Just because it helps them look really, really pretty. So they sell the Falscara lashes by themselves, so you don't have to keep spending $25. I'm sure you are spending $25 for the bond and seal and these amazing behind tweezers, but keep these, hold on to these, and only go and buy the lashes, and baby, you will save yourself some money. Now, again, I'm not trying to take any money out of anybody's pockets. You know that sometimes it's better to have someone service you doing your lashes, but in case of emergency, or in case you're just like me, like I can't, not to make this like religious, but at the end of the day, I'm Muslim, and I have to, you know, keep it real with y'all. I'm not allowed to wear lashes because we have to make wudu in order to purify ourselves. It's just a way to purify ourselves before we make salat, before we pray. So we have to cleanse ourselves full of water. Water has to touch the hairs, all of that. So we can't have something blocking our lashes and our hair and all of that. That's why a lot of times we don't be in weaves and makeup. I mean weaves and lashes, because those things are really preventing the water from touching our actual follicle. So I know there was a lot, especially if you've never heard it before, but that's why I just opt for strips. But these are, they're the next best thing for me. I mean, they take a little bit of time, but the way that you look polished, baby, these are, yes, this is it. And also one more thing I wanted to touch on. Some of the girls were saying that they are allergic to the bond and the seal. See what other options, bond and seal options, are out there on Amazon. Some people are allergic to formaldehyde. I mean, we all should be. Some people are allergic to latex. So look up your options. Don't just, you know, do a patch test. Do what you have to do to see if you're allergic first, and then, you know, do what you need to do, girls. Be responsible. At the end of the day, beauty comes at a price, but it shouldn't be too damn hefty. It shouldn't be too crazy. So yeah, this is the look. So let me know what you guys think about these lashes. I want y'all to try them. I genuinely want y'all to try them and experience things for yourself. Like, the older I get, the more I fall in love with taking care of myself and doing little things for myself. And once I found out, I was doing these on clients, right? And I was like, well, it's me. I know what I'm doing on somebody else's face. But when it came to me, I just wouldn't try it. And so then when I finally tried it, I was like, oh, I think I like this like so much. So yeah, it's nice to try little things on yourself. You are that girl. You should definitely be doing that girl things, and that girl things is whatever the hell you do to make yourself feel good and look good. Okay, look at me with my pretty girl lashes on. But anyways, I'm done talking. I feel like I've been talking your heads off. These are the lashes. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.